Success in IELTS basically depends on the quality of your preparation. Just to borrow from that old famous phrase, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. I'm sure you've heard that all before, but the fact is, it is true, isn't it? The fact is, most people are disappointed by their IELTS result mainly because they have not followed a systematic approach to their preparation. Don't let you be one of those people. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to the SORT system, that is S-O-R-T. It's a simple approach to defining your preparation sessions for IELTS. This framework will help you to define targeted practice so that you're not wasting your time and you really are marching forward towards a great IELTS score. So make sure that you watch this video. If you've first clicked on this video, hi there, thank you for clicking. My name's David Bourne. I am your IELTS coach from IELTS Breakthrough. IELTS Breakthrough helps you get a high score in IELTS so that you can study at an international university or progress in your career. This channel is packed full of really helpful content that will increase your IELTS score. Whether you are taking the general training, the academic version, or even life skills, this is a great channel for you. Please make sure that you do the usual, subscribe and get notifications. So, what is the SORT framework? That is S-O-R-T. And it basically comes in two halves. The S and the O are the first half. The R and the T of this framework represent the second half. The idea is that before you actually start studying, you take a few minutes to think about what you are going to study. And this is where the SORT program comes in, because it actually defines your study activity. Let me explain. S means specific. That is where you state exactly what you plan to study. O means outcome oriented. Now, for O, what you need to do is to apply some kind of number to your study schedule, your study session. I'll explain this with an example in a minute. And then in the second half, we look at a bit more of the measurement. So realistic is the R. Realistic means that you should set a study session that is easy to do. That is because if you think, it's easy to do this, then you're less likely to procrastinate or delay it. And then the T is time bound. So put a number of minutes to how long you're actually going to do this study session. To explain the SORT framework a bit more, let me give you a few examples. Here is the first one. I will read and answer all the questions on one IELTS reading test, and I will complete it in 30 minutes. Breaking this example down then, the specific part is to read one IELTS reading text. The outcome will be to answer all questions, and then realistic and time-bound comes together with I will complete it in 30 minutes. Let's look at one more example. I will improve my task 1 writing competence by copying 5 trend sentences. This will take 15 minutes. So here the specific part is copying 5 trend sentences. The outcome is to improve task 1 writing competence, and the realistic part is copying, because copying sentences is really something that's not so difficult to do. And then finally, we have 15 minutes, the T, the time-bound aspect of this framework. Let's look at one more example so that you really get the idea. I will practice one topic from part 2 of the speaking test. My topic is about a difficult thing I have done. I will practice this talk 2 times and it will take 10 minutes. So with specific, we have defined it's going to be a topic from part 2 of the speaking test and also the topic. The outcome here is also defined by the topic. I will talk about. The outcome is defined by the topic. I will talk about a difficult thing I have done. And then it's realistic, it's only 2 times, and it's time-bound 10 minutes. So that is the SALT framework. Specific, outcome-oriented, realistic, and time-bound. Have a go at using this framework to identify your study and preparation goals for IELTS. In fact, why not put a few in the comments for me to look at? And others might be able to share your ideas as well. If you do this, this will help you to stay motivated, and it will give you that all-important targeted practice that brings in results with IELTS. Let me know if you have any questions about the SALT framework down below as well. And if you want more tips and strategies for improving your preparation approach in IELTS, this channel has got lots for you. Please check out the videos there. In the meantime, thanks a lot. Have a fantastic day, afternoon, morning, weekend, whatever you're doing. I'll see you in the next video.